All right, late night update. It's really not even late compared to what happened last night. Uh, been working on and off all day. Had to do some chores for the wife. Well, my chores, mow the lawn, a couple lawns, take care of some of my neighbors. But where we're at today, and I'm going to show you here on the other screen. I got rid of that alarm, by the way. If you guys saw that short, I don't know where that came from. It was awkward. This Altmill was not happy today. But let's get into what was going on today. And let me move over to this screen. So before I move over the screen, give you a suspense. Uh, I'll give you the backstory. I did a video. Actually, I'm going to tell you this. I did a video because this has kind of been bothering me today. I did a video yesterday. Chris responded in the 1.50 rollout video uh, to my comments and my concerns and to my videos. And amazing job. He pinpointed what was going on. It was great, knowing that they got up in the morning and looked at it, went in, pinpointed it was wrong. I completely missed it. I was jaded a little bit about what I was doing. Uh, what I probably figured out, maybe not, but he figured it out in half a day, probably less. But at the end of the thing, at the end of his comment, it was basically, this is all personal preference. It's nothing to do with me, and it was just how I like to see things, and everybody likes to see things different in their control software and what they're doing, what they're used to seeing. Whether you get a new machine, whether you're learning a new machine, but I, I've learned so many machines that I know what I want to see. And it basically was like, go pound salt. This is what our customers want, and I get it. I love it. Take care of your customers. These guys are obviously customer oriented, and he's right. So it's basically go pound salt. If you want it that way, do it yourself. So what did I do? Did it myself. Still working on it though. Look at this dust boot. Isn't that cool? Francis will love this. Uh, dust boot up here too. Zero it out. Connects. Disconnects. The buttons aren't connected to their what they need to be connected to, but that's the project for tomorrow. I just wanted to get this out. I was up till like 2:30 last night to get to bed early tonight. But yeah, so I'm basically, we got an update out tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to patch this all together. But um, yeah, if you just want it done right, you do it yourself. These little cornering things here, they're gonna be gone. The cornering widget up here is gone. Don't need it. I don't need it. Um, but I still can't. We'll see tomorrow. Look, I'm trying to click on the screen and the OBS. This still kind of, it's late. It doesn't do anything. I can't get, I don't know. I don't know. Probably something I'm doing. It could be. I don't know. But yeah, all this is working. This will all be gone here tomorrow. I don't need that. It's going to be just a slider bar for jog control. So, I complained about this the other day, and I still don't know what it is. It's just, I mean, I guess just hit it. What? Oh, oh, look at that. That's actually pretty cool, to be honest. It's the home buttons. All right. I gotta give you guys an applause for that one. That's, yesterday I said it was a nuclear football. I don't know, but like kind of, that's kind of impressive. Home X, home Y? 0x 0y. Okay, that's I like it. Go back. Home x 0x. Home x 0x. Oh my God, I'm gonna go blind playing with it. That is cool. I hadn't hit that yet. I was complaining about it the other day, but wasn't really complaining about it. I just didn't know what it did. And I don't. Tomorrow I might. Oh, we're gonna get the update, so I gotta patch all my stuff together here once they do that. I was gonna work on this up here. I apologize. I'm sitting here in the OBS screen. I was gonna work on this. I got two screens here, so let me try to get them a little closer together so I quit doing that. I was gonna work on that today, but they'll probably have that fixed tomorrow. Um, what else? Got the dust boot. I split them. Getting rid of these tomorrow. Getting rid of all this tomorrow. This is gonna be about the size of a penny tomorrow. Uh, gonna work on this. I mean, Chris mentioned in his post about to me when you hit the start button, you got your hand on the mouse and you're gonna hit the start button, and or you got the hand on the screen and you're trying to watch the machine and watch the screen. And if I just hit start and it turns to pause, I don't have to move the mouse. I don't have to do nothing. My opinion. You guys do what you want. Run the factory OEM. It works fine. Get used to it. This down here, not not too concerned about. Works fine. This is fine. I might put that jog bar down here. The overlapping stuff, kind of tacky. So house cleaning on that. Um, yeah, that's about it. That's kind of been what I've been up to today. Uh, this kind of excited me today. It's like I might like go blind. I was wondering where that went. I think I said this in a video the other day. I like that. Huh. Now they look at that. That home X, home Y, home Z. Go X, Y, Z. Dust boot. That's cool. Go where? How about that says go X0, go Y0, go C0. I'll take care of that tomorrow. Uh, Other than that, that's my update for the day. Probably yeah. I'm gonna change this image tomorrow too. Like I'm with my dog's picture up there or something. That would be cool. This here is just absolutely completely useless. Like you touch the button and it goes point. If you just touch it, it goes 0.787. If you hold it, it just jogs. It's pointless. I don't know. If I hold the button to jog it, I just want it to jog. I don't want it to move a specified amount. I just want to jog. If I want to move a specified amount, I go to the broken go to button, which won't be broken tomorrow, I promise. They're gonna put out their update. Yeah, that's about all I got for today. I'm gonna do my best to put a G code editor in here. I don't know. It's probably gonna be an epic fail, but hey, YOLO. But yeah, that's it for today. Let me know what you think. Uh, Excited about the update tomorrow. My Altmill, it wouldn't connect today because it was basically out of office till the update drops. But yeah, that's it for tonight. That's what I've been working on. Let me know what you think. There's a couple people that watch this, but this is good for me. It's more for me than anybody. Just me getting this documented so I can go back and look because I like to partake in the evenings in some non-alcoholic beverages, but Yeah, that's the update for today. Let me know what you think. We'll update tomorrow when I should have this pretty much tidied up, depending on how much I got to do with the update. But I don't think it's going to be too terrible. But we'll see. Everybody have a good night. Let me know in the comments if you got any questions about this, and we'll see you tomorrow.